For this experiment, I will be answering 3 questions. Number 1. What do you feel when you put both hands in the stirred bowl? Describe the sensation for each hand. Well, when I placed both of my hands on the third bowl, the temperature on the left hand became hot to cold, and on the right hand became cold to hot. Number 2. Do your hands feel the same in the third bowl? Why or why not? Well, it is different because I think it's because of thermal energy and our body heat. Number 3. Why do you think a thermometer should be used instead of our hands in measuring temperature? It is used for more precise measurements. We are going to test the temperature using our hands. Well, I think it's about 30 degrees Celsius. Now we're gonna test freezing water. I think it's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit.